What is the average lifespan of a small breed dog? The answer is 12 to 16 years. Which dog breed is known for having one of the shortest lifespans? The answer is Great Dane. What is the lifespan range of a Labrador Retriever? The answer is 10 to 12 years. How long do dachshunds typically live? The answer is 10 to 15 years. Which breed is known for frequently living over 15 years? The answer is Shih Tzu. What factor is most commonly associated with the lifespan of dogs? The answer is diet and exercise.